Hey there, sports fans. Welcome to another cigar unboxing video. Today we have something very special. New World by AJ Fernandez. Cameroon selection. And I have a good feeling about these. Let's crack them open and give it a try. Okay. A little overcast today in Miami, but that's okay. We were due for a few clouds. All right, let's open it up. Ooh, look at that. Look at those beauties. Comes out 3 at a time. Okay. Rid of the wrapper. Try the Bunsen burner. Like I said, Cameroon wrapper, you know it's going to taste a certain way, and this one does not disappoint. I'm getting elements of anise, some leather, some pepper, a little nutmeg. Delicious. Delicious. I'll be smoking these for the next week. Keep smoking until next time. Thanks for watching.